Hi, once again, welcome to my channel. My name is Shiva Krishnan and I make videos related to data analytics and AI. And I would request you to kindly excuse me for the background noise because I'm making this video in a public place. Right. So, in today's video, we'll be doing an analysis for a firm named KG Enterprises. Okay, let's say that there's a shop named KG Enterprises and they sell laptops and laptop accessories. All right. So in sheet 1, you can see that there are 5 brands: Dell, Apple, Lenovo, Acer, and Microsoft. And they have the following categories of items, which is laptop, wireless mouse, and wireless keyboard. So we'll break our task into two parts. The first will be to have the quantity information populated here with the help of VLOOKUP, and then in second part we'll be doing an analysis that will help us identify whether these items, whether they are in stock or out of stock. All right. So first I will start with VLOOKUP. The lookup value will be the brand, and then in table array, where do you want the reference? Start with here, because the cell above this one, that's a merged cell, so that will not help me to do the VLOOKUP. Alright, I need an exact match, and the column number was 2. I need exact match. Now I'll close the bracket, hit enter, and I will do the center alignment, and I will drag it here. Now, similarly, I will drag this till here. Ideally it should have given me an error, but it has not. So I will still follow the proper formula pattern. Okay, here instead of B6 it should be A6, because the lookup value should be the name of the laptop brand, which is Dell here, and it should not be B6. Okay, so I did correction for that, and then the table array should start from the brand in sheet 1, right, because that's where it will identify the lookup value, and then A3, C8, yes, that happens to be correct, and I'll change the column number to 3, and then false. I'll drag it down. Alright, and then I'll do the same thing here as well. A6, A3 to D8, column number will be 4. Okay, so our first part has been completed. You can see the quantities available, and just in case if you want to cross check, let's look at the quantity information for Apple. Apple has got 30 laptops, 12 wireless mouse, and 15 keyboards. Let's see, 30, 12, 15. So this is correct. Now here we have the if and VLOOKUP combination. I'm sure that you have seen my earlier video, right? I will type if is equals to if, and then bracket VLOOKUP. The lookup value, as you guys it right, will be Dell, the name of the laptop brand. To look for this particular section, column number 2, false. Now the logical test would be, if it is greater than 10, then in inverted commas, in stock, else out of stock. Alright, and I hit enter. You see, I'll drag it, and there you go. Now what I will do is I'll also change the font type, just so that you know, the font information does not exceed the table. I mean, in simpler words, right? If we have a larger font size, then you may have to do the alignment, and then it will not fit in the proper video here. So I've just changed the font size, and I'll do the same thing here for this particular table as well, just so that they are properly synced with each other. Alright, now I will drag it till here, and it will give me an error, and once again I will fix it just like the way I've done in part 1. Okay, the lookup value should be G6, which is where our laptop brand is, G6. Then let's just start from A3 to C8, and the column number should be 3. Hit enter. Okay, I'll drag it down. I'll do the same thing here as well. Once again, change the lookup value to be G6, which is where our laptop brand is based, and from A3 till D8, and the column number should be 4. Hit enter. Now we'll drag it down. Alright, so you see here it should be out of stock because the quantity is just 5. So they have only 5 wireless mouse with them. And again, for Acer they have, there's 8 laptops, 8 wireless mouse, and 8 wireless keyboard. 8, 6, and 7. Let's cross check that. Okay, that seems to be perfect, right? And once again, in Microsoft they have just 7 keyboards, 7 wireless keyboard. Again, that's out of stock as well. Alright, so this is one of the ways of how you can do your inventory analysis as well, using VLOOKUP and If formula. I hope you were able to derive some value out of this video. Alright, thank you so much for watching the video.